Welcome to Trend News Channel, Nekadar TV. After the death of Deborah James, let's look at what are the symptoms of bowel cancer. Broadcaster and you, me and the big C co-host Dame Deborah James HAS died aged 40, following her battle against bowel cancer. A post shared to Dame Deborah's Instagram confirmed the news of her death. It read, "We are deeply saddened to announce the death of Dame Deborah James. The most amazing wife, daughter, sister, mummy. Deborah passed away peacefully today, surrounded by her family. Deborah, who many of you will know as Bowel Bab, was an inspiration and we are incredibly proud of her and her work and commitment to charitable campaigning, fundraising and her endless effort to raise awareness of cancer that touched so many lives. Deborah shared her experience with the world to raise awareness, break down barriers, challenge taboos and change the conversation around cancer. Even in her most challenging moment, her determination to raise money and awareness was inspiring. After being diagnosed with bowel cancer in 2016, Deborah spent the next 5 years raising awareness and funds to help develop treatment for the condition, and urging people to keep a closer eye on their bodies. During the final months of her life, she launched the Bowel Bab Fund for Cancer Research UK, which has so far raised more than $6 million. With bowel cancer being among the most common cancer type diagnosed in the UK, according to the NHS, it's absolutely worth knowing the symptoms. What are the main symptoms and signs of bowel cancer? The 3 chief symptoms of bowel cancer are blood in your POO that's happening persistently and for no obvious reason. Alternatively, it can be associated with a change in your bowel habit. A persist change in your bowel habit. As mentioned above, this usually describes having to defecate more, and your POO may also become runny. Persist lower stomach pain, bloating or discomfort. This will always be caused by eating and could also go hand in hand with a loss of appetite or noticeable unintentional weight loss. However, the NHS website stresses that the majority of people with these symptoms do not have bowel cancer. For example, having blood in your POO can also be the result of pill, and abdominal pain can simply be caused by something you ate. What to do if you notice any symptoms? With most of those diagnosed with bowel cancer being over the age of 60, we need to take the above symptoms increasingly seriously as we get older. We also need to pay attention to whether or not they persist despite attempted treatment. You should see a GP if you have these symptoms for 3 weeks or more, or keep coming back after you stop treatment, no matter how old you are or how severe the symptoms are.